Join me as I dive into the world of wearable tech in healthcare and challenge myself to uncover the hidden costs behind this revolutionary trend. Wearable technology has undeniably revolutionized the way we approach healthcare today, providing us with the means to track our fitness goals, monitor our sleep patterns, and receive reminders to take our medication. With millions of people worldwide adopting wearable devices, it's clear that this technology is here to stay. As we celebrate the benefits of wearable tech, it's essential we acknowledge the potential downsides. For instance, the data collected by these devices raises significant privacy concerns. Who has access to our sensitive health information, and how can we be certain it's being used responsibly? Moreover, the security of this data is a growing concern, as cyber attacks on healthcare systems become increasingly common. Furthermore, the cost and accessibility of wearable devices can create a significant gap between those who have access to this technology and those who do not. This divide could exacerbate existing health disparities, ultimately widening the gap between the haves and have-nots. As we celebrate the benefits of wearable tech, it's essential we acknowledge the potential downsides. For instance, the data collected by these devices raises significant privacy concerns. Who has access to our sensitive health information, and how can we be certain it's being used responsibly? Moreover, the security of this data is a growing concern, as cyber attacks on healthcare systems become increasingly common. Furthermore, the cost and accessibility of wearable devices can create a significant gap between those who have access to this technology and those who do not. Beyond these concerns, there's another issue plaguing the wearable tech industry: the lack of standardization. Different devices collect and analyze data in varying ways, making it challenging to compare results across platforms. This inconsistency can lead to inaccurate diagnoses or misguided treatment plans. Additionally, the sheer volume of data generated by these devices can be overwhelming, making it difficult for healthcare professionals to separate the signal from the noise. The onus falls on the individual to interpret their data correctly, a task that can be daunting even for the tech-savvy. Besides these challenges, there's another aspect of wearable tech that warrants attention: the psychological impact on users. The constant stream of data can create unrealistic expectations, leading to feelings of anxiety or inadequacy. This added pressure can have a negative effect on our mental well-being, ultimately undermining the very purpose of these devices. In the realm of healthcare, various types of wearable devices are being utilized to improve patient care. For instance, ECG monitors can detect irregular heartbeats, enabling timely interventions. Wearable insulin pumps have revolutionized diabetes management, freeing individuals from the burden of manual injections. Moreover, prosthetic limbs equipped with sensors can provide real-time feedback, enabling individuals to regain motor control. While these devices hold immense potential, they also introduce new risks. For example, a malfunctioning insulin pump could have devastating consequences, or a cybersecurity breach could compromise sensitive patient data. Consider the story of Rachel, a 35-year-old marathon runner who began using a wearable fitness tracker to optimize her performance. While the device provided valuable insights, it also led to an unhealthy obsession with her metrics, causing her to push herself too hard and eventually suffer a stress fracture. This anecdote highlights the dual nature of wearable tech. While it can provide valuable insights, it can also perpetuate unhealthy habits or create unrealistic expectations. In another instance, a study on patients with chronic heart conditions used wearable ECG monitors to track their heart rhythms. While the devices provided timely alerts, some patients reported feeling anxious or overwhelmed by the constant stream of data, ultimately leading to decreased adherence to their treatment plans. These examples illustrate the delicate balance between the benefits and pitfalls of wearable tech in healthcare. Meet Jane, a 28-year-old diabetes patient who uses a wearable insulin pump to manage her condition. While the device has greatly improved her quality of life, she's also experienced instances of inaccurate dosing, which could have severe consequences if left unchecked. Her story serves as a powerful reminder that even as we celebrate the innovation of wearable tech, we must also acknowledge its limitations and potential risks. As we recap the main points discussed, it's clear that wearable technology has the potential to transform healthcare, But we must be cognizant of the ethical implications. It's crucial that we strike a balance between innovation and responsibility, ensuring that these devices prioritize patient well-being above all else. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear your thoughts on wearable tech in healthcare in the comments below. If you're interested in exploring more technology trends, be sure to check out our other videos on the human anatomy.